Hi friends, today we are sharing a job opportunity with DXC Technology. So they have requirement for CA and CWA both. If you want to know more about the company, you can come on Google and search about the company. So DXC Technology is an American multinational corporation that provides business to business information technology services. Now the job description, if we come to on their website, then they have mentioned that location is Bangalore, and this is the job description which they have mentioned clearly. You should read properly before applying to this job, that if your profile fits in this job description, then only you should apply. Skill set, they have mentioned that CA or CWA qualified with less than 2 years of experience in general accounting and controllership areas, and if you lease accounting and fixed assets accounting skills, then that is a preferable. Working knowledge of SAP is preferred, and good communication skill is a must. So friends, if you want to apply, then you can click over here, apply, and upload your CV and the details required by them. So we will share a link in our video description box to this website. From there you can navigate to this website, and you can read all the details which are mentioned over here. So friends, this type of videos we keep on sharing on our YouTube channel, and if you want to get notified about all the latest job openings, then please subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos with your friends, group circles. Thank you friends.